Hey lovelies, hope you are all well. Yes, so today we are going to make like the crunchiest chin chins, daddies, mummies. Yes, these are so yummy, crunchy, soft and nice. So I'm using 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to use a teaspoon of baking powder and a half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix this properly, nicely. Yes, now I'm using 2 tablespoons of margarine. You can use butter. Yes, I'm using Blue Band here. Yes, so you mix that in your flour nicely. You add in your sugar. I used a 1/4 cup of sugar. You might want more, you might want less. Yes, I'm also using a teaspoon of cinnamon to, bring that flavor, to enhance that nice flavor in these crunchies, chin chins. So yes, I'm also using 1 cup of milk. Now I added in gradually. As you can see, you use let the milk be a bit warm, not too cold. Okay, like room temperature. Yes, mix that in there. I used 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add it in there, mix your dough, give it time. Yes, as you can see guys, this is soft. Yeah. So yes, I also added in a teaspoon of vanilla to enhance more of that flavor. Guys, this smells so good. This is yummy. I've tried it out very many times and I think I love it so much. It's like my go-to snack. Now I'm oiling my pan for my bowl for the dough. Add it in there and cover. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes and more. Yes, let it rest. So yes, it has finished resting. I'm going to remove it and roll it out nicely and then cut out shapes. So please make sure you cut your dough and make sure it's a bit thick. As you cut, you shape it out so that your daddies are not just crunchy and flat. You want them to be soft and crunchy, and for you to achieve this, you're going to have to make them a bit thick, not too thin. Yes, please do the oil test before you add in your daddies in the oil. Make sure that the dough that you put in, as the oil test browns, make sure it browns, then you can add in all your other daddies. Now you're going to cook these ones on medium high heat, not too low, because now you don't want it to take long. When it takes long, it will suck up oil. So you want it to be medium heat. Yes, when they brown, you take them off the heat. Now what I'm doing, that helps reduce the oil in your daddies. They will not be oily. Yes guys, so tell me, you try it out and tell me how you like it, Yes, and guys, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for checking these recipes out. Yes, keep checking them more. Share. Thank you all. God bless you so much. Ciao.